Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to study a new chapter, A Treat for Mosquitoes. Chapter 8. Introduction. Let us see the important points that we are going to discuss. First one, causes of malaria, symptoms of malaria, prevention of malaria, anemia, blood test, the way to detect malaria, diseases caused by mosquitoes and flies, save our surroundings from breeding of mosquitoes. Sir Ronald Ross. Causes of malaria. First of all, let us learn about a disease called malaria and the causes of this disease. Malaria is a disease caused by a parasite transmitted by the bite of infected mosquitoes. It is transmitted to human by female mosquitoes of the genus Anopheles. Female mosquitoes take blood meals for egg production, and these blood meals are the link between the human and the mosquito hosts in the parasite cycle. Listen, all of you. Malaria is caused by a parasite which is transmitted by the bite of female mosquitoes called Anopheles. These female mosquitoes take blood from the human body, which will help them to produce eggs. Through this activity, they are carrying parasites causing malaria from one person to another. Okay. Symptoms of malaria. Let us see what are the symptoms of malaria. A malaria infection is generally characterized by the following signs and symptoms: fever, chills, headache, nausea and vomiting, muscle pain and fatigue. Generally, the person who has malaria shows the following symptoms, which are that fever, chills, headache, nausea and vomiting, muscle pain and fatigue. Other signs and symptoms may include sweating, chest or abdominal pain, cough. Some patients may have sweating, chest or abdominal pain and cough. Okay. Malaria prevention. Now let us see how can we prevent the dangerous disease. If you live in or are traveling to an area where malaria is common, take steps to avoid mosquito bites. Mosquitoes are active between dusk and dawn. We all know that the main reason of malaria is because of the bite of mosquitoes. So to prevent the disease, malaria, we have to protect our body from mosquito bites. Usually mosquitoes are active between the dusk and dawn. To protect yourself from mosquito bites, you should cover your skin, wear pants and long sleeved shirts. To protect ourselves from mosquito bite, we have to cover our skin by wearing long pants and long sleeved shirts. Apply insect repellent to skin and clothing. Applying good mosquito repellents to our skin and cloth also will help us to protect our body from mosquito bite. Sleep under a net. While sleeping, sleep under a net. Bed nets, particularly those treated with insecticide, help you to prevent mosquito bite while you are sleeping. Bed nets. These mosquito nets will protect your body from mosquito bite while you are sleeping. Anemia. Now we are going to learn about one another important disease, that is anemia. Anemia is caused due to less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. Anemia is caused due to less hemoglobin or iron in our blood. You know, hemoglobin is a protein in blood cells that carries oxygen. The symptoms of anemia are fatigue, skin pallor, shortness of breath, lightheadedness, dizziness, or a fast heartbeat. The major symptoms of anemia are fatigue, skin pallor, shortness of breath, lightheadedness, dizziness, and increased heartbeat. Okay? Those who have anemia, they may feel complete tiredness. Color of their skin also may change. From the given picture of two hands, you can easily understand the change of color. They may face difficulty in breathing and feel sleepy. We should eat jaggery, amla, and more green leafy vegetables to cure anemia because they are rich in iron. So, to improve the content of hemoglobin in our blood, we have to include jaggery, amla, and green leafy vegetables in our daily food. Because in these items, the content of iron is more than any other food items. Okay. Blood test, the way to detect malaria. Now let us see how can we detect the disease like malaria, typhoid, etc. The mainstay of malaria diagnosis has been the microscopic examination of blood utilizing blood films. The main process of finding malaria is blood test. Lab technicians can easily find the presence of malaria parasite in a patient's blood. For this, they are using an instrument called microscope. Microscope is an instrument which enlarges the image of things 1,000 times. Microscope can enlarge the images of things in 1,000 times. Diseases caused by mosquito. Some diseases caused by mosquito bite are dengue, chikungunya, malaria, yellow fever. Dengue, chikungunya, malaria, yellow fever are the diseases caused by mosquito bite. Diseases caused by flies. Some diseases caused by flies are cholera, dysentery, diarrhea, tuberculosis, typhoid. Cholera, dysentery, diarrhea, tuberculosis, typhoid. These are the diseases caused by flies. Save our surroundings from breeding of mosquitoes. Now let us see how can we protect our home and its surroundings from breeding of mosquitoes. Here are 4 ways to prevent mosquitoes from breeding in and around your home. There are mainly 4 steps to prevent mosquitoes from breeding in and around our home. First one, don't let water to stagnate. Mosquitoes breed by laying eggs in stagnant water. You can keep them away from your property by covering or clearing out by stagnant water from your home. First step, do not let water to stagnate. That is, mosquitoes lay eggs in stagnant water. These eggs will convert to mosquitoes within few days. So don't keep water open. You should cover it, otherwise clear out that. Okay. Next one, clear the litter. Don't allow any debris to collect around your house, especially in garden, compounds or yards. Litter is often a great hiding place for mosquitoes. Second step is to clear the litter. Don't allow to gather unwanted pieces of rubbish or remain in your surroundings. This will give opportunity to the mosquitoes to hide in your surroundings. Okay. Use a suitable mosquito repellent. Mosquito repellents can eliminate mosquitoes effectively from every corner of your house. Third step is to use a suitable mosquito repellent on water bodies and every corner of your house. Children, spraying kerosene on surface of stagnant water can kill mosquitoes. Use physical barriers. As evening approaches, you might see mosquitoes swarming towards your home. An effective method to keep them from entering your home is by using mosquito screens on door and windows. Last step is to use physical barriers to prevent breeding of mosquitoes by using mosquito screens on doors and windows. Sir Ronald Ross, a scientist, peeps into a mosquito's stomach. Now let us study about Ronald Ross. Sir Ronald Ross, born 13th May 1857, Almora, India, a British doctor who received the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1902 for his work on malaria. He discovered that malaria was transmitted by the female mosquito Anopheles. He discovered the presence of malarial parasite within the Anopheles mosquito in 1897. Sir Ronald Ross was a British medical doctor who received the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1902. In 1897, he proved that malaria was transmitted by the female mosquito Anopheles. Okay. Homework. Fill in the blanks. Lack of hemoglobin in blood causes dash. 2. Mosquitoes lay eggs in dash water. 3. Dash mosquitoes spread malaria. 4. Dash increases in our blood if we eat iron-rich food. Fifth one, microscope is an instrument which dash the image of things 1,000 times bigger. Last one, Ronald Ross received the Nobel Prize for Medicine in dash. So all of you do this homework and send your answers to my personal number today itself. Okay. Today's class is over. Thank you all. Bye.